Hi, this is how to connect your new TV to an old soundbar. What we're talking about here is going from an optical audio connection to an RCA red-white standard audio connection. What you'll need to do this is a digital to analog audio converter, an optical cable, and a red-white RCA cable. Plug one side of your optical cable into the Toslink port. Plug the other end of this cable into the optical or Toslink port on the back of your TV. Plug in one set of the red-white into the box and the other to the back of your soundbar. Also, don't forget to plug the actual converter box into a power source. If everything went smoothly, you should hear a bit of a difference when you turn your soundbar on. And there you have it. Turn it off. Turn it back on. That's how to connect your new TV to an old soundbar. Check the comments for links on where you can buy all the necessary cables. Thanks.